Right, fit like. I hope you're all keeping well. And I hope you've had a lovely Christmas dinner yesterday. Because this is Boxing Day today.
Boxing Day special.
And we're not going to be boxing. Because we're good friends. So we don't want to be doing that. But we're out fishing. Now, the plan was to get to the beach today. And the forecast kind of changed. It is a good chance for a beach. I was kind of lucky, and there's not a lot of motion. It's just perfect, I would say. But the forecast is showing a good bit of rain. So we thought to ourselves, we'll maybe try a spot for we can get a car right to the fishing roads, so we can keep our cameras inside the car if the rain comes to fruition, like it's saying. But it isn't, it's actually dried up a good bit, is it?
Yeah, it's sort of on the cusp of being dreich, isn't it?
Dreich,
Dreich,
it is dreich kind of, but so just in case it comes too bad, at least we can get our cameras in the car. Now, I've got a rig for fill, so I've shot one rod just now. I'll turn and let you see. So I've one rod out, it's a beach caster. And we're at a Pint West Pier at Peterhead Harbour. I'll let you see that's a big purser over the back here, look. And I didn't kind of this camera will show it, but you'll see the fishing boats just inside the harbour with their Christmas lights still on. So anyway, I've got one rod out, and I got a rig for fill, as I was saying, and it's a 3-hook clip down rig with size 3/0 hooks. And we might take a chance of a havel here. For whom doesn't ken, a havel is, we call a havel a conger eel. So we have rocks here and all the holes, might take a chance of that. So I've got a bit of squid on the bottom hook, fair size, a bit of squid actually, and I've some mackerel in the middle hook and a bit of mackerel in the top hook. Now already I've got my bails on. See if you see the bails up there, and already there's been 2 or 3 rattles, but no commitments. So something's been picking at it. So I've slackened the clutch wheel out in case a havel takes a hold. Oh, that's a wee bit of movement again. Bail's near ringing, but it did move here, I know. There's something inspecting. There's a rough handy at bails. I love at bails, because you don't need to be facing the road, you just hear it rattling away. That's Phil putting on a set of bails now. Oh, that's the bails ringing, look. Yeah, look. Just need to commit into the hook. Could be podleys or something like that. Wee buttocks. Or collie top deals. See, a couple of seals, great big breeds of seals, lying on that rocks. Just there, see it? If you see them, down to the water's edge. And also, there's a couple swimming about, round about with lines. A wee bit of backwash off of that boat. That's a boat here with the creels. Right, I'm going to cast out another rod, and it's got 6 hooks on it. This is one of the rigs I usually use on the beach, and it's got 3 feeders. I've put mackerel and squid in the feeders, and wee bits of mackerel on each hook, or 6 hooks altogether. Right, we'll get this hooked and see if I get anything worse. Some splash. It's a fair chunk of stuff to cast out. Now I have a wee gripper lead on. I'm not sure if it can grunt is here, because I haven't fished here before. If it's going to be too sticky, I can just open up the grippers. The mind put a set of bails on. Like as bails. Now the hooks on here are size 4. So at least we've a chance of getting something, a small fish, a flatty maybe, wee fluky or buttocks. I'm happy with anything. Now it's 2 traps set. Oh, another booty coming out. Right, I thought I heard a bite. Sure I heard that bells ringing. The hell? Oh, it's you joker. Oh man. I would lope it out my skin. I thought I'd gotten something big. I'm not taking you again.
This will be the last set of bells you give me.
Oh, aye. Let's see the road here, the lower end. It was rattling away just now. As soon as you put the camera on again. Ah, wait a minute, there is a wee bit of movement. Come on, look.
Yep, there he is.
It's strange, you stand and stare at it, and as soon as you turn away, it rattles again. No, yeah, that boat is going out. Bonnie boat. What the creoles again. Right, you'll have Dino's thing with Christmas dinners and all that carry on. And back to work next day. Yeah, we got to make a pound. One haul us in. And freshen up a bit. There's maybe no bait left. Oh man, it's hard fast. Oh, that's it, dude. Aye. Well, there's 2 of the baits going. The big squid, which I actually had lashed on with bait elastic,
Yeah.
that's going and all. Ah. The middle bait's still there.
My reel, and it turns out the line's broke.
Oh, you're joking.
Reel.
Was you fast?
No.
Oh, a hook broke. Aye.
crab activity.
Hook snubbered off.
By the looks of that.
And the bait scuffed. Right, I'm going to rebait that. Maybe tie on another hook and get it back out again. That's it, and cast it back out again. A wee bit further up and closer in. I'll listen in with the smaller hooks. See if there's anything. To change the bait anyway. There was 2 or 3 rattles, but then I think there's nothing sitting in the line. No. 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 baits missing. So something's in him, and one of the feeders is empty, you know. The unit had a squid in it, actually. Right, freshen it up and get it back out again. There seems to be something happening on this road. No, I think it's just stuck. It's wee looting off. There could be boulders right out again.
I'd be surprised if we've got the boats coming in mine.
Ah, it's true. I wonder if it could be a havel. Took a hard and it's just gone into the hole.
Just snuck in, yeah.
Because it was moving slow. Can a havel do that, Ken?
Yeah.
Come on.
Can you come under this rock and come over this way? Over there to see if you get a different angle on it.
Another angle.
Another angle.
UK. There was a fish biting. Right, I'm trying a wee spinning rod. There has been a couple of bites on one of the roads, in fact both the roads, but there's nothing committed. The bells give a ring out now and again. So I'm trying a spinning rod just now. A wee spinner. See if I can get something worse. That seals is still gone about. So I'm thinking there may be scaring a fish again. There's still one over that way, in asleep. In a wee stretch just now. Dicht in his moo. Now it's a lifeboat going out, look. We're going to offer at practice, I would say. No hurry. I just thought I'd let that lifeboat pass before I cast it out. I could easily cast it. I'm not that good at caster to hit it. Now the bail's on.
Definitely something there, isn't it?
Aye, could be a havel. Hopefully.
Is it pulling back?
Yeah, it's just locked solid. The line was going out.
Yeah.
It was just creeping out.
He's found a snag, hasn't he?
It could be a havel. Nipped into a hole in the back of a steen or something. Because the line was creeping out.
Yeah. Give it some slack, see if it comes back there again.
Aye, it's all I can do. I've already lost a set of gear. Another creel boat going out. Aye, some folk has to work. Aye, there seemed to be something on this road. The line was creeping out all the time. hooked in alt en ik recht in a fastener, so I don't know if it's a hevel it's on. And it's just, you know, had the bait and get into a hole. So I've just slackened the line out, so I can do. See if a fish takes it off of the fastener. If it doesn't, I'll just take a bracket out. A lot of seals going about, and they're hanging about round about the lines. Oh well, all moves need mate. Fits on the menu today. Christmas dinner, that's fits on the menu. Roast beef. Because I just heard that bales rattling. I thought it was my lines, but it's fell over here. Lovely jubbly. Well, I hope you've all had a great Christmas, and I hope Sunday's been great days. There's nothing better after Christmas Day than getting out to relaxing. And a day like this, whether you catch anything or no. I hope you guys are getting out and all. Let me know if you have been, and if you've managed to catch anything, unlike me. No, the lifeboat coming back in again. You just wait for a wee trial, I suppose. Right, I got that fastener out and got my gear back, so that was good. There was no fish. We're kind of plagued with seals here all the time, and the rain has bidden off. I mean, it's fine and dry now, so we're thinking nipping back to the beach. That was our original plan, and maybe get 2 or 3 hours here before darkness. And maybe get a fish or something, a flicky or something. Right, I'll see you there. That's us here at the next video. This is where we meant to come this morning, but it was gay wheat in the air, came for filming and out. But it seems to have cleared up, so we're back here anyway. This is a bit we call over water. It's at Peterhead golf course. There's a wee bridge. You'll see in the video for across the over water. That's how it's called, over water. And that's me shot 2 roads out already. And I've just left the same bait it was on before we was at, just to get them out. And when I was setting up a second road, there was a couple of rattles already on the bales. So the only thing is we're fishing the ebb tide. Tide's gone back. And I prefer the incoming tide, the flood tide. If the tide is not working out the way you want it on a day, and it's a bonny day, just get out and get a go anyway, okay? Instead of sitting in the house. Fell set up just to the north side of me, and there's a lad fishing over here up the south side. And here's Phil up here, like. He's got, looks like he's got one rod out. Oh, see a lot of weed on this beach. Look at this. The fell's hauled in a heap of weed and all. So that thing did give a rattle. I'm going to want to halt and have a look. It's just been out 5 minutes. But the trouble is, if you leave it out too long, a lot of weed kicking about, it'll end up just gathering all the weed when I get it in. Right, let's see if there's one anyway. Just fear to leave it out too long. Trying to keep it up as high as I can. Clear from the weed. Clumps of weed. Clumps of weed. There is a fishy on there. That's good. Great stuff. We'll get this fish off first. Get him back so it doesn't stress him out. Need a disgorger for it. Come on, pal. Oh well, that's my second fish a day. It's fine to see something. Right, come on now. Good on. Oh, that was a deep hook team. Right. Go on a wee flounder. He was deep hooked at him, but the scores are good. Come on. Behave yourself. Just speak into the camera. Right, give me a kiss, get him back. What's that? There you go, yeah. Yeah, speed. Right, we get all this weed off. Freshen up a bit to get that short again. There's a lot of weed in the water here. Ooh. Now it's off a handy thing. It keeps the line real up out of the water. Try and keep it clear of the weed. I'd actually better haul this now because oh, can't I forget to do? Stick the bales in it really. And by the time I get that going, the heaps of weed on it. Look, I've got my weed. Get this, you know. probably full of weed now. But if there's a fish on it, I'm not bothered about a sucky weed. I usually haul it slow and stop now and again. So the flatfish chases the hooks and takes a bite on the way in. But because there's all this weed going about today, I just have to wind it in fast, try and keep it up at the surface. Yeah, just weed. Lots of weed. These spiles of fishing. Huh?
Is that the flounder?
Aye. Now you sometimes get turbot here and all.
Yeah.
Or geen turbot here like.
And you've had a sea trout here, haven't you, on one of your videos? Is it here?
No, it was Scotstown. Well, it was a Pirates Graveyard Beach then. Captain.
Yeah.
I mean, it was nearly 5 minutes and it had a fish on, a couple of minutes. It's just a case of trying to bite up clear of the weed. You see it all, as you were saying, on that dirt. Luckily, it's near the massive chunks. The massive chunks seems to have been washed ashore. It's all small bitties. But you can't leave your line out too long or it gathers into a big chunk.
Yeah. You use the gripper or are you still using that watch lead?
Grippers.
Yeah.
You need a gripper today.
I'll put a gripper on in a minute. The watch lead's stuck in there though. It's not moving.
Well, as long as it doesn't move, because you can't hit moving a day, because it'll just weed, just gather up. Oh goodness, keep forgetting to put the bails on. Fairly work, I mean, it's moving about with its waves.
Yeah.
And it's not ringing.
No.
But when you get a bite, it rings.
That's right.
It lets you in. Right. See all the weed in the water here. Ah, big chunk up here, look. Fell out here wandering about, looking for flukes. Now Phil is, as you can see, Phil's been at a day again. As usual, he's making his own video or his fatigue cuts nothing a day. So mine popular to his channel. It's up here. you'll see if it is catched. And I can see the feeders, and then I see no fish. Oh well, the bonus is there's not an awful lot of weed.
It's that 3:30, so I thought maybe we'd give it half hour.
Aye, 4 o'clock's plenty.
This could be the last cast and start to go dark.
Aye. Aye, we're doing well.
Doing all right now.
I would like to get a decent fluke like, but stuck for the gate. And my mother used to say to me, duck for the gate and you'll never want.
Right, that's it.
You'll never want for nothing.
Sounds good, sounds good.
Right.
Wise words.
Yep. So darkness coming down now. Nothing. Nothing at all.
Take two.
Take 2. Well, is it 2 or 3 or 4?
Oh, I don't know, mate. I'm
Right.
admitting to 2.
Okay. Right, that's it for another session. I would anything muckle fish today, but you did well since we come here
Yeah,
after Harbour came.
yeah.
So you'll have to check out Phil's video and see if he catched. I'm
Yeah.
jealous.
I wasn't sure I was going to catch. Thought it was going to be a blank, but it's ended on a good one.
Aye, right.
Yep.
So, but we might be out again before New Year. You just didn't care.
No.
Didn't care much to see if it's happening. So, if we're not, have a good hogman, and all the best for 2025.
Happy New Year to you if I don't see you again. So it's been great having you along with us this year. We've really enjoyed it, haven't we?
Yep,
Yeah.
certainly. But there's more adventures to come in
Plenty.
2025.
Plenty next year, I'm thinking.
So, Happy New Year, take care of the, and I'll catch you after.
See you later. Bye.